Chicken cheese flatbread. Take 1/4 cup of oil. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped onion. Start frying them at medium heat. Add 500 grams of boneless chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Add half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of chili, 1/4 of a teaspoon of coriander, and 1/4 of a teaspoon turmeric powder. Add salt as per taste. Cover them and cook them for 5 minutes in medium heat. After 5 minutes, uncover it and cook it for another 5 minutes in low heat to finish it. Add 2 tablespoons of scallion. Take 2 tablespoons of butter. Fry the bread about 2 minutes on medium flame. Put 4 slices of American cheese. Put 5 tablespoons of chicken stuffing. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped onion. Add 1 tablespoon of scallion. Some chili flakes. 2 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese. Fold the bread like this. Apply the same process. Put it together in a pan on low heat and apply 1/3 cup of mozzarella cheese on top of the bread. Sprinkle some chili flakes. Cover it until the cheese get melt. It's ready. Serve with some fresh coriander leaves. Cut the bread into pieces before serving. It's looking great. You should try this at home.